Cheers, guys. Happy birthday to me. It's so good. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, or welcome back to my page. Hope everyone are doing good. Yes, another day, another beautiful day, and it's still my birthday. Yeah, it's still my birthday morning. I just finished working out and I want to make some smoothie, okay, for myself, birthday treats. Be careful, don't cut your hand. You see what I'm doing? Oh. Let's give it line inside. All right, I'm gonna add water. You can add milk if you want, but I'm adding water to mine for easy blending. Not a lot of water, just little. Then I will blend. All right, guys, a smoothie is ready. I have ice inside my cup. Then I'm just gonna pour the amount that I want to drink into this cup. It looks so good. Help my straw. Cheers, guys. Happy birthday to me. It's so good. This is so yummy. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and share out the video. Bye, guys. It's so good. Bye, guys.